Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vaishali. Thanks a lot for stopping by. As you all must be knowing that festivals are around the corner. Durga Puja is approaching, Diwali is coming and many more. I know during this coronavirus, this time this festival won't be that much happening as it used to be. But we can at least make that happening staying at a home only. So today I have created this look which is apt for all your outfits. You can change the lipstick according to the color of your outfit. And to know how to create this look, do check out the video. So to begin with, I am using Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer as my primer. I am concentrating the product on the center of my face and working my way outwards. Next, I'll be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This time I am not using any foundation, as I want to go a bit light on my skin this time. I'll be highlighting my under eyes and hiding some spots on my face. Next, I'll be spraying my brush with a setting spray so that my base remains for a longer period of time. I'll be using buffing motion. You should never drag our brushes as it might leave streaky strokes. Next, I'll be using Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm using the banana powder in it to highlight my under eyes and to set my face. I'm just using it on the center of my face. Next, I'll be using the contour or the bronzing shade of the palette to bronze my skin up. As you can see, I am bronzing my forehead because I have a bit, I think it's a bit large. Next, I am using Sugar Contour De-Force Mini Blush in the shade Coral Climax as my blush. It's a very nice coral color. As I had coral in my dress, so I thought it would be a nice choice. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild highlighter as my highlighter. It's in the shade Rose Petal. I'm going to highlight the usual places on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, as you all know, the usual places. And here I was going to break my highlighter. As usual, everything drops from my hand. I'm using Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray to set my face. Next, I'm using Etude House Eyebrow Pencil for my eyebrows. I'll be fast forwarding this one because I'll make a detailed eyebrow routine on my channel in the next series, which I am about to start from Dussehra to Diwali. Next video will be an introduction video. I'm just giving you a spoiler. So yeah. Next, I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, this 4 eyeshadow set. I'm using the transition shade for my crease. blend the eyeshadow properly, use a very light hand because you don't want blotches or patches of eyeshadow on your eyes. I'm using this transition shade on my crease. I'm using this transition shade on my crease just to have some definition. Now I'm using that shimmery shade on my lids. As I have already told you that this look will easily go with all your Indian outfits, and yes, it's very easy to achieve, but you have to change your lip color according to your dress, then you'll look top notch. Here I'm using a black eyeshadow on my lower lash line as I don't use kajal. So this is a trick to avoid kajal and still get the kajal look. I'll be blending here I'm using the transition shade to blend it. Next I'm using Lakme Iconic Kajal to achieve my wing liner. If you don't know how I do my wing liner, you can easily check my video out on 3 everyday liner look. I'll link the video in the description down below. Down is below only, sorry. Next I'm using Lakme Insta Line eyeliner to make that wing. I'm telling you guys, if you don't get it how I'm making the wing, you can check my video out, the 3 everyday eyeliner looks. There I have told you like in detail how I make my wing liner. You can easily go and see it. If you want, you can go and see it, and I'll be linking the video in the description box below. Sugar Smudge Me Not mini lipstick in the shade Breathing Pink. I got this I got these lipstick Sugar Smudge Me Not lipstick in a mini Sugar Smudge Me Not mini lipstick set in the variant Bold set. This sugar lipsticks are very drying, so I would highly recommend you to hydrate your lips before applying this lipstick. Here I am using Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara because it makes your eyes look very awesome. I highly recommend you to use this mascara. It's a very nice one. You can see how this looks right now, and yes, this is how you get the look. Hope you guys like this video, and if you did so, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, turn on the notification bell, and if you want to stay connected with me on a regular basis, do not forget to follow me on Instagram,